The Infinix Gt20 Pro is a mid-range gaming phone that offers some unique specs at a competitive price. Here are some of the most notable features. MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate Processor. This is the first phone to be equipped with this processor, which is a special collaboration between MediaTek and Infinix. It offers excellent performance for gaming and other demanding tasks. 144 Hz AMOLED display with 360 Hz touch sampling rate. The display is smooth and responsive, making it ideal for gaming. The 360 Hz touch sampling rate ensures that your touches are registered quickly and accurately. Built-in cooling fan. This is a great feature for gamers, as it helps to keep the phone cool during long gaming sessions. RGB lighting on the back. This can be customized to your liking and adds a touch of personality to the phone. Bypass charging. This allows the phone to continue to be powered by the charger while gaming, so you don't have to worry about the battery running out. For pros, powerful processor. Smooth and responsive display. Built-in cooling fan. RGB lighting. Bypass charging. Relatively affordable price. And for cons, LTPS AMOLED display. Not as good as a true AMOLED display. Only 2. Useful rear cameras, 108MP main and 2MP depth sensor, no expandable storage. Software may not be to everyone's liking. XOS 14 based on Android 13. Overall, the Infinix Gt20 Pro is a great option for gamers who are looking for a powerful and affordable phone. However, if you are looking for the best possible camera or display quality, you may want to consider a different option.